Hello, it's Natasha from YMO Homeschool, and today I wanted to give you a flip through of the Artistic Pursuits Middle School Book 1. This is for grades 6 to 8. It's the elements of art and composition. And I also purchased the kit from Sonlight, which comes with all of the materials that you'll need for this program too. So I will show you that as well. This book is non-consumable, so you can use it over and over again. So you purchase it once and then you have it forever. Okay, so this is book 1, newly expanded edition, art instruction plus masterworks featuring world art. It has this clear cover here. It is comb bound. I do prefer spiral binding, but it does seem to be a heavy, thick comb binding. This cover sheet is nice and thick. And then here we have the cover page. And here's our contents. We have the art supplies, what parents want to know, what students want to know, the elements of art. And then we get into the lessons: space, line, texture, shape, form, value, line values, visual paths, etc. So just pause here for a second. And then you can see the art supplies that you will need. Again, I purchased the art supplies in a kit from Sonlight, but you could always pick these up at any art supply store. All right, so what parents want to know: book content and scheduling. Classes per week 2, time per class about 1 hour, and period 36 weeks or full school year. The schedule can be modified to fit yours. Keep in mind that students can work independently, so it is their time you are scheduling, not your own. Schedule art class at a time when they can complete the art assignment, even if it runs over an hour. Once interrupted, students can regularly return to an activity with as much enthusiasm as they first had. Time for completing each activity will vary greatly depending on the student's approaches. However, you should see that as they learn to use more of the elements within their pictures, they are taking more time on each piece. Okay, and what students want to know. So these are all things that you and the student should read. And the elements of art: ready, set, go. Get started. Gives you some information here. And then we're into Unit 1, space, Lesson 1. This is written to the student. So like I said, the student can work on this independently. It's not something that you as a teacher have to teach them, which I appreciate, especially because I'm not really artistically minded. My daughter noticed this objective box down here and she thought that was neat. So the objective is to understand that artistic ability is not a talent possessed by only a few gifted people, but a skill that any individual can learn and develop. So they will go through here and do these lessons on their own. Okay, and here's a challenge. Throughout this book, you will make 2 types of drawing. One is called a sketch or study. A quick sketch has you focus on one specific topic. Sketches take about 10 to 30 minutes. Beware of the 2 types of drawings, blah, blah, blah. And then here it says, make a quick sketch of the painting on the previous page on a full sheet of paper, then another on a half sheet. Draw the figures so that they fill up the space on each paper size. Small studies like this require visual skills in order to place the lines within the space of the paper. Here's another lesson. Make a rough sketch of a favorite subject. Here's the project. So I noticed every few lessons there is a bigger project, not just a sketch. Tells you the materials here that you'll need. All the materials come in the Sonlight package. References you might need. So refer to a real elephant at a zoo, or a picture from an encyclopedia, or a picture on the web. So in other words, they're going to need a picture of an elephant to do this project. So then we get into Unit 2, line. How to use graphite pencil. So it teaches them how to use these materials that are in here too. I appreciate that. Here's another project. And then the references they'll need. They're going to be drawing a bird here. So this particular book obviously also talks about culture and different countries. So that's kind of cool if you're doing a geography study. Here's another project, sandpaper block, the references you'll need for the project. And I'm just going to flip through kind of quickly for the rest. To achieve symmetry. So this book teaches, about art, elements of art, art in different cultures, how to use art supplies, different techniques to use. It covers all of that. And let's see. I wanted to show you this evaluation sheet. I thought this was nice. If you want to give your child a grade for their art, then you can use this rubric here. And then we have a bibliography, and that's it. Okay, so that's really nice. And now let me show you the supplies that you get with the Sonlight package. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, now some of these things I don't even know what they are. So, the kit comes with all of these things. So, a vinyl eraser, there would be that. Watercolor brush round number 8. I'm assuming that's that. Metal pencil sharpener, drawing pencils, so I don't know which drawing pencils are which, but nevertheless, there are the 4 drawing pencils. They're already sharpened, that's nice. These are the Graphite drawing pencils HB. So, yep, all right. And then sand paddle sharpener. I'm not sure if that's that. And then wire. Pad for pens and markers, 9 by 12. Oh, that's this right here. Paper for pens. Waterproof drawing ink black. That's this. This box came a little messed up, but that's all right. I've got the ink there. Pen nibs. 101 Imperial 2. I'm not sure if I have. I don't really know what that is. Sketch pad, pen holder, sketch pad, and backpack. So this is probably one of those for the pen, I'm guessing. And then this thing here. And then the paper for pens, and then the sketch pad. Okay, so that is all the materials that you get with the program as well. And then you do get this handy dandy Sonlight backpack that comes with this drawstring backpack. And so you can store all your materials in there. All right, so I hope that was helpful. And I will talk to you soon.